So in this video, you'll learn how to install Roblox on your Chromebook. So the first step is to launch the Google Play Store on your Chromebook. And then once it's been launched and it's finished loading, you then want to use the search function, and then you want to search for Roblox. And then you should see it listed in the search results. So select it and then you can view the app details. Then from here, you can see it's available on Chromebook and it will work perfectly fine. So once you've confirmed that, you then want to click on install and then just wait for it to be downloaded patiently onto your Chromebook. If you have a connected device that's using the exact same Google account, again, you can also choose to install it on the device simultaneously. However, for this, I don't need to do that. I just want to install it on my Chromebook. So just wait patiently for the process to complete itself. And then once the installation is complete, you can just click on play to launch it, or you can go to your apps menu, search for Roblox, and then select it to launch it. Once you've done that, you can now start playing Roblox on your Chromebook. So just sign in and then start playing Roblox. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.